Next up, what's funny, guys, is Nikki just learned that, our videos, his reactions are well known in the Cryptoys family. I was just telling him that people have been asking me, when are these unboxing videos going to start, right? Poof, you were the first to ask. And he said, they watch? I said, yeah, people on the team watch. The art team I know watches. Founders, Will, Funds, I know you guys watch, right? Poof and Steph, you guys are religious about it. DPG, Crypto Doozy, right? You guys are the fans, collectors like us. I know you guys watch too. And I guess I thought Nikki knew. And he didn't. So when I told him, he got really, really excited. So thanks for the love, guys. Thanks for all the shout outs, right? Keep them coming. It's the other half of making this little boy's day when it comes to these things, right? We love collecting these things, but knowing that you guys get joy out of it puts a smile on this little munchkin's face, right?
Yeah,
so
that's Cummins open.
And isn't that why we do all these things that we do? Those with kids get it. So, all right. Now that little ramble's over, what's it going to be?
Back to the bottom.
Back to the bottom? Okay.
Last.
Man, and here we go, the sounds. I'm never ready for the sounds, right? Star Wars, every sound from R2-D2 to the music, right, to the blasters, of course the lightsabers. Oh man, if you grew up with this stuff the way I did, that stuff's just, emblazoned, it's seared into your memory. So, hearing it here is really remarkable.
Can I click it?
Yeah, you sure can. Yeah, go ahead. Okay. Go over.
I have to do both.
You can do both? Alright, there you go. Changing hands, huh? You're ambidextrous with the Force?
Yeah.
No, cool. That's handy. Another unique one! Man, this is great, right? So far, we've not pulled any duplicates, so we're just building a collection of unique characters. Really good stuff, I don't even know that I care about what our choices were before. Just, building a unique collection is great. We're on a... Wow. There he is, Red 5. Oh, look at that! Number 25 of 3,000. We've got a 12 for He-Man. We've got a 25 for Luke.
Is the lowest the best?
Some people say it is, some people say it's not, some people say it doesn't matter, it's just one of those things, right? To have a cool low of all 3,000, we have almost the first one. That's...
Imagine if we got the first one.
Yeah, look, 25 here. I think we've got something in the 30s on the Motu side. We have a He-Man that's 12.
Wait a second, if we get the first one, no one else will be able to get it?
No, that's it, because it's 3,000 of these. So if somebody's number 1, somebody's number 2, blah, 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 blah. We have number 25, etc. So that's it. There's only one of each of them like that. So whoever has one's the only one that has one. And then there's only one number 2, of course, right, etc. So that's it. So that's like saying close to the beginning, But there we go. Man, we're on a good run so far, right? 4 cubes, 4 unique characters. I really like it. A great serial along the way. Mm-hmm. So... let's just see if we can build out uniqueness as close to 100% as possible. Which reminds me, I need to update the tracker I made until we get a collector's map, Cryptoys team. Oh, all right. We'll see you for more. This is fun. Guys, this gets better every time.